Hello, this is Dual Chart from timkiptutorials.com. In the last part of my tutorial we had finished the login file, the login post file, and the index file. Well, most of the index file, and logout. Okay, so what we did is create a user. So when you log in, it will just come up returns, and now it will show up. So underneath here in this tutorial we're going to include our private messaging table. Okay, right. So first of all, we create a new file in PHP. Okay, and what we do is we get rid of this, and we open up a PHP, close our PHP, session underscore start to start the session, require once includes slash connect underscore I dot PHP. Since we're going to be using MySQLi to do most of this, we go SQL command equals select ID username from users where username equals $session username like that. Okay, and then what we do is we then run our query. So $query equals MySQLi underscore query, and then we type in my connection $SQL command or die MySQLi underscore error, while and close brackets MySQLi underscore fetch underscore associative or sock, and sorry, it's not associative, it's array query. Why didn't that not work? $row equals MySQLi SQLi. Very cool. And then we put in PID equals $row ID username equals row username. MySQLi underscore free underscore results query. Okay, so now we're going to check whether there's any messages in our inbox. We'll check for new messages pretty much. So check for new messages. SQL command select count ID as numbers from PM inbox where user ID equals PID and viewed equals 1. viewed equals 0, sorry, because 0 is the default value in this instance, for new messages. Query equals MySQLi underscore query my connection SQL command or die MySQLi underscore error. While sorry, it's not while, it's result equals MySQLi underscore fetch underscore associative or sock query. And we go in, we go dollar inbox messages new equals result numbers. Okay, so now we will check for all messages in the inbox. So check for all, check for all messages in the inbox. Now what I'm going to do to make it easier is you just copy the above one, and then all you literally do is you change that to, you get rid of and viewed, so it should only read count ID as numbers from PM inbox where user ID equals PID, PID being you because just logged in. Okay, so all you change there is you go messages total. Okay, and the same again with your outbox, so you just copy that, and then we'll go check all messages in the outbox, and you go count ID as numbers from PM outbox where user ID equals PID, and you just change that to go outbox messages. Okay, so we go outbox messages. Alright, and that's that part of it done. So now what we do is we open this up, we go PHP if $session username. Okay, and then we just open that up and close that. Okay, and then what we do is we go private messenger system, and then we put a ref, and then we type in pm underscore inbox.php, go inbox, and then you put in PHP if inbox messages new is greater than 0, print B for bold. Okay, and then you type like that, and then all I do is you open up to like that, and then you go inbox messages new. Okay, just close that off like that, and then you just put end your bold, and then you just do that, and you go else, close that off like that, oops, close it off like that, so that will end that part there, and then you go PHP print inbox messages total. A ref pm outbox.php outbox PHP print outbox messages. There are other ways of doing this. I'm just doing this for this tutorial. They all work. href equals pm send.php, and we just put send new message. Okay, and then we go like that, right? And we just put a ref log out.php log out PHP else print you must be logged in first. And that's literally all you have to do to show private messages. So now if we save that as it's pmcheck.php, so pm underscore check.php. So now what you do in your index file, underneath where it says right there, welcome back username, so just copy that, put that in there, and then you just click your PHP and go require once pm underscore check.php. So now that's going to read that. So now what we do is if we view it in here, and I'll log out, I won't log out. Oops, I got an error. On line 16. Give me a minute, I'll just find out what it is. Give me a moment, please. Right, I figured out where the error is. It's in the pm underscore check.php on line 16. It says result MySQL I underscore fetch underscore a sock query. Just take out the little L that I put there, and you just add in another bracket like that, and do that. And I did it because I copied it. It's done to all the files, so you've just got to take those and just change those again like that. Okay, so now I'm just need to sorry, you actually just do this. Sorry, take that out, do that like that. I don't know why I did that. So we'll save that, and now we'll open this up again. Oh, it's still doing it. Line 16. Whoops. I got double dots in there. It should only I got double comma in there. There should only be one. And now it will work. Yep, there we go. So now it shows welcome back. It shouldn't do, but that's because I've accidentally put into my the index file. I've got that there like that. Okay, so there. Right, so now what we do is, so now when you view it, it now shows private message system, your inbox. It's not showing up. There should be a 0 showing up there by default, but for some reason it's not. Oh, whoops. There. On line 36, it's got else PHP print inbox. So I had a capital I. It should be lowercase I. So now it will now go 0 like that. Okay. So now you can log out. When you try and view it, it just says please log into your account. You log in. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Right. So in the next tutorial, we're going to start writing the inbox, and hopefully, yeah, probably the only inbox. So this is George Hart from timkiptutorials.com. Thank you very much.